first chapter is on Charvakas, who were hedonists, and they were also accepted. Every philosopher had to take a challenge and give them favorable answers, and then go forward with their own theories. So he was fascinated by that, and I should tell you that he was not a ritualistic at all in his clothes or in his attire or from outward appearance. You would know that you wouldn't know whether he's a, so I wouldn't call him a typical Hindu follower, but he was means he felt that everybody had some spark in him, or he had to contribute, means he was born with something to contribute to the world, and that is what he found his purpose in life. And that's what he feel, that Hinduism leads a person to self discovery, and that was the path everybody should follow.
Yeah,
and I also feel whatever you feel instinctively, you should go by that and study on that.
I will ask that whether he was against the untouchability of the society, and
No, absolutely not.
That he
Absolutely not.
He said that everyone human being is born and they're equal.
They are equal, and he feels Hinduism never
can only revive when the untouchability is.
And untouchability was not accepted by Vedic culture earlier. More than Hinduism, he feels Hindu word is given by aliens, and whatever whatever we feel saffron robed, or somebody in a Hindu tika tilak is a Hindu. That is not so. That is just outward. If you know the real philosophy, Indian philosophy, you would know that it is the most natural and most satisfying way of reaching your
being
goal.
the Brahmin, you still feel that the society is a composition of the entire segmentations, including every sort of the norms.
Absolutely. In
and
fact,
they should come forward.
When we were in Delhi for many years, we didn't know that there was anything like a caste system. Even my father had great regards for all types of religions.
You accept that the caste system should be eradicated from the society?
Yeah, because that is a modern development, means later development, and in our Vedic culture, I don't think there was any. And the caste was not by birth, but it was by the, how your nature is. Or
that was the dream of Sri P.M.O.
Yeah, absolutely. He
and
felt
that you also feel that it should be come forward.
Yeah. I feel that it is being politically or by vested interest. I have a point here to add that whenever in paper there is a fight or there is some confrontation between Hindus and Muslims, they never mention that some Hindu killed a Muslim or a Muslim killed a Hindu, but they say in two communities there was a. Whereas if there is a